Hello there, today we got a iPhone 8. We need to change the LCD. The touch is working, not working, and there is a line there in the LCD. So first we need to open these two screws. Going to put them aside, and this LCD, we're going to power it off. It's not switching off, so it is going to open like a book, like that. iPhone 8. I think it's been replaced before because I don't feel the adhesive. So use a plastic tool, or I normally use my nails. I don't grow them bad, but normally I have them up until where I can open the phones easily. So yeah, it has been opened before, that's why it was very easy. Otherwise sometimes you gotta heat up to remove the adhesive. So you open slightly, don't force too much. There are clips obviously with the LCD like the other iPhones. We're gonna clean this so we can close it again. There is no plate, no nothing, so it won't be that difficult job. But first of all we're gonna remove the battery, and we're going to use a plastic tool for that. This clip came out. Normally you should not take out the clip before the battery if it is not switching off. Then there is this third flexi. So somebody did replace the LCD before. Otherwise there are 3-4 screws there, 3-4 screws here with the plate. Just take out the plates and put them separately in order, so when you are putting them back you don't need to struggle. Now we can take a star screwdriver and put them in order so you don't forget where you took them out from. So we're going to keep removing the screws, 1, 2, 3. Just put them in order so you know you don't forget where they were. I got magnet, so I'm just gonna remove all these screws. So once that is removed, the camera, the speaker should come off easily. Heat up a little bit here. We don't want to damage the flexi. We don't want to create a unnecessary job. So once this thing removes, in the new LCD we don't have this for your sensor replacement, and this is for your camera. If it doesn't come out easily, just please heat it up again. After heating up a little bit it comes off, you see. To the side there is this steel plate that has a screw here. Open that screw. This one is that Y-shaped screw. Let me look for the screwdriver. So there we keep it with the screw. Now there is one screw here and the other screw is here, which is holding this plate. But first we're going to remove the under this, just on top of that plate, there is a screw, and this plate covering your home button, fingerprint sensor. Put all the screws separate, because sometimes if you put them at one place, you don't know which is going where, and the sizes are also not same. This plate can come off because this one fell automatically, so this should come out easily also. Okay, why it's not coming out? We gotta remove this connector so we don't break it. This connector for your home button. There is no other screws to my knowledge. Just hold on a second. It has this sticky tape connected to it. That's why it wasn't coming out easily. I'm going to put with these two screws. Now we're going to heat up a little bit onto the fingerprint sensor. Once it is hot, you can just pull out easily. There we go. And you put it aside. Now everything is out from the old LCD. We're gonna put it aside. There is a new LCD. Now we're going to put all the things here. So now we can test the LCD, the new one, before we start assembling it. That you should do always. So I can see the touch is working. Let's try to switch it off. Now you can see LCD is working. We're going to put everything back. The best way to remember something, how to close a phone, is to go backwards. What you started the procedure as, just go backwards. We're going to remove this quickly. This, it doesn't want to come off, so we can leave it, but it doesn't make any much effect onto the display. If we can remove it, we'll remove it. If not, easily, yeah, maybe it's something kind of protective layer, because there is that something of LCD down there. So we're gonna start with our home button. Let me just see quickly. So it's gonna go from the top. See, from top it goes very quick and easy. And then we're going to put it into its hole. Once it is in there, you connect your mouse, home button, fingerprint sensor. Now in the last, we took out this, so we're going to put this back. Just pull the flexes, these two screws. Now comes the next one. Just check the holes, it comes under it. This plastic one, once it is in, then you can put 1, 2, 3, 4 screws back, which are here. After this plate, we're going to put this plate now. That screw is going there. Now we're going to place this proximity sensor and this for your camera. Once they are there, sometime it goes in one go, sometime you gotta go, sometime you gotta take it out and put it manually. Fit this onto its proper holes, everything. Once the flexi is in properly, now you can put the speaker, then your camera, and your this cushion, and then put all the screws once it is on to its place. So now I see why the phone was opened before, but I do not understand why guys they don't put everything back. I see the battery is been replaced, so we're going to put these two connector and this connector, and then we're going to put the battery. It's very simple, clip-on ones. Just clip one here, the other one there. But I think this flexi is a little bit stuck underneath here, so I'm just gonna make it loose. I was struggling with it, then I did my own way. Bring it near. It's a bit difficult sometimes to control these things. Sometimes they just clip like that, and sometimes you gotta struggle with these things to align them basically. And currently my table is a glass, that's why it doesn't have grip. So there it is connected. Now we can connect bottom clips, which are for LCD. You gotta struggle a bit, but I'm sure you can figure it out to put it on a place where you can. Don't force it. Anything in clips broken, your LCD is gone. You'll feel that a little bit of click thingy. It was a mission, but both of them, all three, they got connected. Now I have tested it in front of you already, so please like and subscribe my channel. Please help me out, I need your support. Subscribe my channel, like my videos, any question ask them. And now you can just simply press it in and it should close, but I'm gonna put some glue here just to show you that it's closed. And now you can put two screws there. We already tested the battery. We'll just put some glue so it can hold it proper. This is how you change iPhone 8 LCD. Please like and subscribe my channel, share my videos. Any question let me know. It's working in front of you. Thank you very much. Until next time, goodbye.